Hello class, for today's lesson, implicit differentiation. Paano ba natin sinosolve yung implicit differentiation? Ano ba ginagawa natin pag implicit differentiation? Basically, nagdi-differentiate tayo explicitly. So ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng explicit differentiation saka implicit differentiation? So mag-start tayo sa explicit differentiation. Magbibigay ako ng isang example. Triangle. Ito yung y, ito yung x, this is equals to 5. So using Pythagorean theorem, we have y squared plus x squared is equals to 5 squared. So y squared plus x squared is equals to 25. Pag dinifferentiate natin, hinarap natin yung derivative using chain rule. Gagamit tayo ngayon ng explicit differentiation. Yung dati natin ginagawang paghahanap ng derivative. So, gagamitin natin to. Y squared plus x squared is equals to 25. So, minamanipulate natin yung given natin na to. Ang gagawin natin is isolate natin yung y o yung dependent variable sa kaliwa. And then yung x saka yung constant, talagay natin dun sa bandang kanan ng equation. Okay? So, square root natin magkabilang side, magkakaroon tayo yung y is equals to square root of 25 minus x squared. So, i-rewrite ko muna to, y is equals to 25 minus x squared raised to 1/2. And then, hahanapin na natin yung derivative nitong expression natin na to. Magre-represent tayo na u is equals to 25 minus x squared. So, ibig sabihin, derivative of u with respect to x is equals to 0 minus 2x using power formula minus 2x. So, yung formula ng derivative using chain rule is n times u raised to n minus 1 multiplied by du over dx. Then let's substitute. N is equals to 1/2. Ayun siya. So, y prime is equals to n is equals to 1/2. Substitute yung u is equals to 25 minus x squared raised to n minus 1, 1/2 minus 1 multiplied by du over dx, that is negative 2x. So, itong 1/2 minus 1, pwede natin sabihin na 1/2 minus 1 or 1/2 minus 2 over 2. Diba? 2 over 2 yun. So, immediately, pwede na natin kunin yung difference nito kasi pareho na yung denominator. So, subtract lang natin yung numerator. 1 minus 2 is equals to negative 1/2. So, lalabas nito that y prime is equals to 1/2 times 25 minus x squared raised to negative 1/2 multiplied by negative 2x. Okay. So, di ba binababa natin yung lahat ng may negative exponent dito sa denominator para makasama ito ng 2 dahil yung 2 is nasa denominator. So, y prime is equals to nasa denominator is 2. Lilipat natin to sa denominator dahil this one is negative. 25 minus x squared raised to 1/2. Tapos, yung negative 2x, may iwan dito sa taas. So, ano mangyayari? Makakancel tong 2 and 2. So, ang matitira is equals to negative x over, so yung 1 half, pwede naman natin gawin ng square root of 25 minus x square. So, ito yung final answer. Pagka explicit differentiation tayo. Now, dito na tayo sa implicit differentiation. So, sa implicit differentiation, wala na tayong i-manipulate automatically. Pwede na natin gamitin to. Y square plus x square is equals to 25. So, kinukuha natin yung derivative ng y square is based on the rules of differentiation din using power rule. We have using power rule to y. Kaya lang pagka dinidifferentiate natin yung dependent variable, natatagdagan siya ng y prime na expression katabi ng 2y. Then, plus power formula, x square, we have 2x. Sa 2x, wala na kasi we find the derivative with respect to x. Kaya, wala na tong x prime. Ito lang yung merong prime. Is equals to derivative of 25, 0. So, i-solve natin, find y prime. Dahil we are going to look for the derivative. So, may iwan dito is 2y y prime is equals to transpose, that is negative 2x. Negative 2x. Then, solve for y prime. I-divide natin to sa 2y. Divide natin to sa 2y. Mangyari, cancel yung 2y. Matitira dito is y prime is equals to, cancel naman dito yung 2, magiging negative x over y. So, ito yung sagot pagka implicit differentiation tayo. Kung mapapansin niyo sa implicit differentiation, pati yung dependent variable at saka independent variable ay nandito sa equation sa bandang right. Nandun siya sa solution. So, malalaman natin pagka gumamit tayo ng implicit differentiation kung pati yung y variable ay nandoon din sa solution. I-check nga natin kung pareho yung magiging sagot using this one. Sabihin natin, if x is equals, dahil ito is the 3, 4, 5 triangle, sabihin natin this one is equals to 4 and this one is equals to 3. So, check nga natin kung pareho yung magiging sagot. Dito na tayo sa, so, checking tayo. So, if x is equals to 4, so you have negative 4 and then divided by 25 minus x square. The x square is 16. So, is equals to 4. So, 25 minus 16 is equals to 9. Square root of 9 equals to 3. Kalimutan yung negative. So, negative. Negative 4/3 yung y prime. What this one? Using implicit differentiation. Okay. Negative. What is x? X is equals to 4. What is y? Is equals to 3. So, pareho yung sagot niya using implicit differentiation and explicit differentiation. So, therefore, ito yung explicit differentiation wherein hindi mo naman makikita yung dependent variable dito sa solution. While dito sa implicit differentiation, makikita nyo rito na nandito pati yung dependent variable at saka yung independent variable.